It's giving very much what it was supposed to give.
Y'all niggas got me hot.
Now let's say you naughty, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you naughty, say what's your price?
What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time joining us, welcome to it. I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the ZeeX family. Now, as I'm sure you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we're doing something super exciting today, guys. We are going to be reviewing DJ Zinhle'S new hair brand, Hair Majesty. Now, I was lucky enough to be sent some hair for review, and I'm super excited to do this for you guys because you guys know I love to check and see what the hype is all about, okay? I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about the hair, how it installed, all of that fun stuff, and just to add a little bit more personality, a little bit more of a something, I decided that we needed the DJ Zinhle experience while we were getting our hair installed. So I decided to get my hair installed by the San HD because I did notice that she gets her hair done by them, or she's gotten her hair done by them a couple of times. So I was like, there's nothing else, there's nobody else who I should be going to. So today we're going to the San HD to get our hair installed. Now, if you guys don't know who DJ Zinhle is, I don't really know what to tell you because you are the problem. DJ Zinhle is obviously a DJ. She's made some amazing hits. DJ Zinhle is a businesswoman, an entrepreneur, a mogul, okay? A mogul. If we ever did see one, she has a number of businesses and this is her most recent one. So I really felt like, especially since it's Women's Month, this is the perfect time to show you guys some black excellence because I already did take a peek at the hair, and sweetie, just by the unboxing you guys are gonna see, you will understand that one thing about her, she takes her business seriously, and I personally love to see it. Black women are doing the things, and personally put it in my veins. Because I don't have the hair with me now because I had to send it there prior, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of an unboxing of what you guys are gonna get in the box. And then you guys are gonna come with me, get our hair installed, and finally we will have a review of the hair. If this video is sounding like something you would enjoy, please do give it a thumbs up right now. Don't forget to comment as you guys are watching the video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 60,000 subbies. So I would love it if I see you all there, okay? Now let us get straight into the video.
anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, I try to do so I'm I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride the whip, I know.
Okay guys, we are back home. As you've seen, my hair has been slayed and the quality is what's really getting me. But you know what, before we have a conversation about this, let me do my makeup so that so we can speak properly to each other, okay? Okay guys, now we can talk to each other on a level, and let me tell you, this hair is stunning, okay? When we're going to talk about quality, even the lady who was doing my hair at San was saying that the quality of this hair is superior. As you guys can see, it isn't a jerry curl texture, but it's so soft, guys. Do you see the material? The hair is super soft. I have to commend them on that. It's absolutely beautiful. I will say with the lace, it is a transparent lace, but you do have to do the tinting and all that by yourself. So unlike an HD lace where it melts into your skin a little bit more seamlessly, you do have to work a little bit harder, but it's nothing that can't be done because as you can see, they did the damn thing. In terms of quality, I really rate them highly. In terms of how the hair actually comes, like the box, the packaging, it's giving very luxury, it's giving very luxe. It's giving very much what it was supposed to give. You can definitely reuse that box as many times you need to. When you want to travel, you can use it like a handbag, a carry bag for your wig. So I really find that functional packaging is really in right now and is really the way a lot of hair companies should be doing it, because there's no reason why I need to throw away the box. Like the box, I need to store my wigs somewhere. And also love the fact that you do get that little goodie in the box as well, because they obviously don't have to do that. And I honestly do find it really hard to find stocking caps in this 2021. So thank you so much to them for that. Really, my only critique of the hair is that I had requested my hair get bleached and plucked before I actually received the hair. And I will say my hair was over bleached. I don't know if you guys were able to tell in the video, but right down the middle here, my hair was over bleached. And so they had to actually add mascara in the middle just to make sure that you can't see that, which I don't really like. Like I don't like that service sort of, I don't want to say it was bosh, but like they didn't like kind of do what I expected them to do. So my advice maybe there would just be, don't get it customized. Just maybe get it as the wig that it is and then customize it on your own. Or if you want to give them another shot and you really just don't want the admin of doing it and you don't mind fixing it if they do make a mistake, then ask them to get it plucked and also bleached for you. But other than that, guys, beautiful hair. So excited to wear it. Again, I'm so impressed with DJ Zinhle and all the effort she puts into her businesses, because honestly, the hair, the quality, the experience of receiving the hair was honestly really great. And I love the fact that it was an African company that could bring that to us and owned by a Black woman. Like, it's what we love to see. It's what we love to see. And congratulations to her on her new hairline. Guys, please do support. I honestly do rate this hair highly. You guys know I would be honest. And I really do rate this hair. I mean, honestly, I do feel like the hair does speak for itself, guys. I don't need to say too much. If you guys think I'm lying, I mean, come on. You can see. You can see. The quality, my darlings, the freaking quality, the quality. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my video. I hope you guys did find this review helpful. Also, I just wanted to mention in terms of delivery and stuff, I don't have the exact information on how long that takes for this video, but please do check out my description box below, because I will leave that information down below for you guys, because I do know a lot of people do need to know, like, if I'm buying this hair, how long is it gonna take for it to come? Like, I need to get it right now. So I will leave that information down below in the description box. But again, Thank you so much to you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much to Hair Majesty by DJ Zinhle for sending me this beautiful unit. I really do appreciate it. And thank you for trusting me to review this hair. You trust the right person. Anyways, guys, I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I know some of you guys really be watching my video and unsubscribe. So what? Just subscribe. It's really gonna take nothing out of you to subscribe to my channel. But anyways, love you all so much. Bye.